Number 4, here we go. Find the distance between points S and T. If you have to plot points or find the distance between them, you're not finding the distance like going a different way. You're going straight there. You're trying to find the straight there distance. So in order to do that, you need to draw a triangle to do that, because that's a diagonal amount. You can't just simply count. So I'm going to draw a right triangle here. It's a good idea to draw this as I do it, if you want. I'm going to count the side lengths. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll write that on the side. Watch how I'm counting this. This side is 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3 by 5. Let's find out how long this is right here. We're going to show our work. So to find this hypotenuse, this diagonal, I'm going to do 3 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. So that would be 9 plus 25 is c squared. So let's put those together. That'd be 34 equals c squared. Let's go ahead and type that in and see what we get when we take the square root. It's not a perfect square, so I'm going to have to use a squiggly equal sign because I'm going to be rounding that. So second square root, 34. That's going to be about 5.8. Over and out.